the United Nations. Keep on the watch. It has been shown that the wild beast represents or pictures the devil's visible political organization on Earth, and the image of the beast stands for the League of Nations and its successor, the United Nations. Revelation describes her destruction at the hands of political elements. These are symbolized by 10 horns that support the United Nations, a scarlet-colored wild beast that is the image of Satan's blood-stained political system. This two-horned beast is the seventh world power, the Anglo-American world power, and it caused the nations of Earth to form the image to the wild beast, the League of Nations, and later, the United Nations. The political elements also lend their support to the eighth world power, the United Nations, and their nations make up the members of it. This unchristian eighth world power stands in defiant resistance to Jehovah's messianic kingdom. So we must have nothing to do with the United Nations. A good example of how we should not endorse organizations like that is a wonderful article in the Watchtower about the YMCA. We'll go ahead and read that today. In joining the YMCA as a member, a person accepts or endorses the general objectives and principles of the organization. He is not simply paying for something he receives, such as when buying things being sold to the public at a store. Nor is his membership merely an entry pass, as when a person buys a theater ticket. Membership means that one has become an integral part of this organization, founded with definite religious objectives, including the promotion of interfaith. Hence, for one of Jehovah's Witnesses to become a member of such a so-called Christian organization would amount to apostasy. So we would be sure not to join an organization such as the YMCA, and especially not the United Nations, since they are in fact in defiant resistance to Jehovah's messianic kingdom. Some have said that the Watchtower has had involvements with the United Nations, but this simply cannot be true. The Watchtower is God's organization. How could God's organization have anything to do with Satan's political system of things? So right now, this is going to end it all. We're going online, and we're going to the United Nations webpage, because there'd be some form of evidence to show that the Watchtower had, in fact, some sort of alliance with the United Nations if it were true. So we're going to end this today. What's this? The Watchtower was a member of the United Nations for almost 10 years? What? Oh my. Well, they must have signed them up automatically or something, right? Oh no. There's an application that requires signatures, 2 of them. At the hand of 2 witnesses, every matter is established. This is bad. This is very bad.